एंड अमूल का ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो अमूल ने हम सब शेफ्स को दिया है। एंड ऐसे लग रहा है सच में कोई मैराथन हो रही है, वन बाय वन विदाउट ब्रेक वी आर कमिंग एंड गिविंग यू डिलीशियस डिशेस। और मेरे साथ जो टीम है मेरी, उसमें यंग शेफ्स भी हैं और मेरी फ्रेंड भी है। So with me, I have Vimanyu, I have Amit, I have Abhiram and Sheetal Shah. So four of us are sharing Global Canif. So first, I would like to say Happy Teachers Day to all the viewers, all the teachers who taught us how to, talk first. That's why we are talking. So this is the platform we are using that, and I'm really blessed having very good teachers whole my life. And being a basketball player, I would like to, firstly tell my Brian sir who taught me basketball, and I played national with that and many inter-universities, and we won so many matches under his guidance. So this complete session is tribute to sir, and so this all is for Brian sir. Thank you, sir. And so Vimanyu is here. I would like to just first introduce all my chefs. So please Amit ko le le. Amit and Sheetal and Abhiram. Okay. So while we are connecting with them, let me just tell you that this global Canif is a open face sandwich. So we use bread in it, and ऊपर अभी हम कुछ की टॉपिंग की लेयर से पहले हमें एक अपना स्प्रेड जो भी हमको पसंद होता है हम वो लगाते हैं, और जो टॉपिंग होती है तो ब्रेड इज द बेसिक, उसमें एक जो एलिमेंट होता है, तो हम सब एक एलिमेंट यूज कर रहे हैं विच इज ब्रेड। और बाकी जो मेरे तीन फ्रेंड्स हैं, शीतल शी इज डूइंग मेकिंग इंडियन कैनिफ, एंड अमित इज मेकिंग ओरिएंटल कैनिफ, एंड अभिराम इज मेकिंग European canif, or Vimanyu is making Mediterranean canif. So you can see we have written here also, and Vimanyu is my son.
So happy Teachers Day to everyone. So today we are going to be making canif, and I am making Mediterranean canif. So for that, basically my main ingredient is olive. First, I'll start with the bread. I've already toasted the bread on a tawa. I've already made it. You can see the round shape I've done this, and you can see a little bit of brown coloring. This basically this bread has been toasted to crispiness, and that is what I'm going to use for the base. And now for that next part, I will start with the cream cheese that I've already prepared. This cream cheese, what I did was basically took Amul paneer, and in a blender I added that with a little bit of milk and cream and blended it together to a smooth paste, and that was it. So what first we'll do is I'll start with my filling, that is the olives. I'm going to mince some olives and onions together.
So this is Vimanyu. He has just shared it with you. So I would like to take Sheetal, and Sheetal, please explain what you are making in Indian canif. How you are making? Hi Sheetal.
Hi everyone. I am making Indian canapé today, and I have used yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, Amul paneer, chopped onion, and pickle, homemade pickle, and some red chili powder, salt, and chaat masala according to your taste.
Okay, so Sheetal is making Indian canif, so she is using Indian, pickle she has taken. अचार जो होता है हमारे इंडियन को एकदम yes, तो अचार बना रही है पनीर एंड विद अचार का जो मसाला उन्होंने लिया हुआ है, तो इट्स गोइंग टू गिव अ इंडियन फ्लेवर टू दिस कैनिफ, एंड आई कैन सी ब्यूटीफुल कैनिफ यू हैव मेड कटोरी। जस्ट एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू मेड इट।
मैंने इसको अमूल बटर लगा के मफिन मोल्ड में डाल के बेक कर लिया है। सो आप जो शेप देख रहे हैं उसकी वजह से आया।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। So let's move to Amit. Hi Amit.
Hello everyone. Good evening, Auntie. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Amit.
So yeah, so today I would be giving my take on an Oriental canapé. So इसमें it's very simple. So base जैसे आंटी ने बताया था, the base is a toasted bread. All of us are going to use the same base. So मैंने यहाँ पे bread लिया है. So it is basically toasted bread. तो जैसे विमन्यु कर रहा है, same way तवे पे हल्का सा अमूल बटर या अमूल घी से उसको टोस्ट कर लेना. And then the main element in this is अमूल पनीर. तो इसमें मैंने अमूल पनीर को हल्के छोटे छोटे क्यूब्स में काट लिया है. And then उसमें सॉल्ट और कॉर्नफ्लोर से टॉस कर दिया उसको. और उसके बाद तवा में, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, यू कैन ईदर डीप फ्राइड या शैलो फ्राइड. सो आई प्रेफर टू शैलो फ्राइड अगर इफ समवन वांट्स इट मोर क्रिस्पी. सो ऐसे कर सकते हैं. एंड देन देयर आर सम मशरूम्स, स्लाइस्ड मशरूम्स, उसको मैंने अमूल बटर और गार्लिक में टॉस कर लिया है. एंड देन देयर इज सम शेजवान सॉस. इट्स प्रोप्राइटरी सॉस, आप कोई भी ब्रांड यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड देन देयर सम स्प्रिंग अनियंस फॉर गार्निश.
Good. So Amit, Vimanyu and Abhiram are the student of IHM Bangalore. I would like to share with you all. So next Abhiram. Yes, Abhiram. Yours is French canap. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Happy Teachers' Day to everyone. So today I'll be doing French canapé from the region of Provençal. So today I have, like everyone's base, I have toasted bread which have been cut into rounds, and the filling would be Provençal vegetables which have been roasted in the oven. They include onions, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, zucchini, onions, and garlic. They have been roasted in the oven. If you don't have an oven, then you can use a pan and use a little bit of olive oil, and you can roast at the highest temperature possible. And then after roasting it, you take it out and you mince it with a knife and season it with salt and pepper. And the other one is Amul paneer. I've coarsely mixed it with a mixie and seasoned with salt and pepper. These are the components of my French canapé.
Okay. So I think meanwhile we will just take the Vimanyu, how Vimanyu is making it. Then we will show you everyone's ready canap. So
okay. So I was telling you that I have prepared the meal. So basically what I did was I have taken olives, black and green olives, as you can see here. A little bit of black and green olives, some onions, and then I minced it all together. That is basically rough chopped it into small pieces. Then what I did was I had taken my cream cheese, as I told you earlier, and mixed that in a bowl, as you can see. So I have added that, the mince, and with that I have added a little bit of dried oregano and a little bit of salt, and just mixed it all together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm putting this in the piping bag. I'm going to use the piping bag to put this basically the top bit with on the bread, as you can see here.
this is very simple recipe we are sharing because it's such a quick session. So we don't want you to, think कि क्या है क्या नहीं. It's very simple. See, in such a small time, you are learning 4 types of canap. So this is Mediterranean canap, where cheese and paneer like paste sauce has taken with the olives and
so now I'm going to plate them here.
Onions.
And I'm going to top this with a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes that I have prepared earlier. This brings a bit of a color and the tanginess to the canap.
So this is,
and that's it.
Our one canap is ready, which is Mediterranean canap. And ये जो sun-dried tomato है, you just put them tomatoes with the oil and salt in the OTG oven. में we have kept it for I think around 1 to 2 hours, and this
120 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, 120 degrees Celsius. And cherry tomatoes becomes like this. You can easily make sun-dried tomato at home. So this is the professional student when share something, this comes out. So it's really looking lovely. So let's go over to Sheetal, where she has reached. Her Indian canap, how is it going on?
ये बहुत, as you said Sonal, ये बहुत simple recipe है. We just have to mix everything together. If you want, you can saute a little bit, but I have not because we like a raw taste. So I just kept it like that only. I'm going to mix everything together.
Okay. So see, this is the second canap, which is Indian one. So Indian version, It's really very simple. As I said, kennep means simply open face sandwich. Means usually sandwich में हम क्या करते हैं, एक ब्रेड लेते हैं, अंदर स्टफिंग रखते हैं और दूसरी ब्रेड से हम कवर करते हैं. But this is only one slice which is the base, and उसके ऊपर फर्स्ट हम एक लेयर लगाते हैं अपनी जो भी हमको स्प्रेड लगाना है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे शीतल जो स्प्रेड बना रही है, दैट इज अचारी पनीर फ्लेवर का स्प्रेड बना रही है.
If you want, you can apply green chutney, पर मैंने नहीं किया because I don't want to kill अचार का flavor. So I've not applied green chutney, but अगर आपको टेस्ट अच्छा लगता है तो you can use that also.
ओके, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, ब्रेड पे आप ग्रीन चटनी लगाइए, फिर ये जो मिक्सचर बताया शीतल ने उसको आप लगाइए और देन फर्दर सी कैसे करिए. वाओ, इट्स लुकिंग सो कलरफुल शीतल. So I hope our viewers are liking this on Teachers Day. See, Teachers Day पे आप साथ साथ अपने टीचर्स को विश भी कर सकते हैं. अमूल ने एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, आप सबको इसको यूज करना चाहिए अपने टीचर्स को विशेस करने के लिए. और
thanks to Amul India for giving this opportunity, and big thanks to you, Sonal, to introduce us. And
so
happy Teachers Day to all of you, and especially my mom, who is my big guru in my life. I am dedicating this dish to her only.
Wow, very great. तो see what I was saying कि आप लोग भी व्यूअर्स अपने टीचर्स को विश कर सकते हैं. जैसे शीतल ने अभी अपनी मॉम को विश किया, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में अपनी विशेस लिख सकते हैं अपने टीचर्स को, फेवरेट टीचर का नाम लिख के, और अमूल चूज करेगा उसमें से बेस्ट विशेस एंड आपके टीचर को डायरेक्ट अमूल भेजेगा एक चॉकलेट हैम्पर. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर, मैंने एक विश जो इसके पहले का 2 बजे के जब सेशन था, तो मैंने अपने टीचर को अब्राहम सर को विश किया था एंड अमूल ने वो मेरी विश को चूज किया, बेस्ट विश थी वो, और मेरे टीचर को जाएगा एक चॉकलेट हैम्पर. आई एम सो हैप्पी जब मेरे टीचर मेरी तरफ से वो चॉकलेट हैम्पर टीचर्स डे पे उनको मिलेगा, जिनसे कि मैं कई सालों से नहीं मिली हूँ. तो आई एम श्योर वो बहुत अच्छा फील करेंगे. तो आप भी ऐसे फील करा सकते हैं अपने टीचर्स को. तो प्लीज राइट कमेंट्स एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. दे कैन ऑल्सो राइट कमेंट्स. And Amul, thank you so much for this platform, and you are giving viewers also this opportunity. So Sheetal, I think this is your filling is ready. Spread is ready.
I just have to fill it in the canopy.
Okay.
So I'll do it now.
Right. I can see your canopy is looking very good. See, जैसे कि विमन्यु, अमित और अभिराम ने उसको राउंड शेप में लिया, आप कोई भी शेप ले सकते हैं, या फिर आप जैसे शीतल ने कैनेप को एक कटोरी का शेप दिया, आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. और ये एक बहुत अच्छी क्विक बाइट है इवनिंग स्टार्टर्स, क्योंकि हमारा सेशन 7 o'clock था, तो हमने सोचा क्यों नहीं ऐसा एक कुछ दिया जाए जो कि इवनिंग 7 o'clock में जैसे ही सेशन पूरा हो और लोग जाके बनाना चाहें और खाना चाहें इसको. तो आप चारों में से कोई भी बना सकते हैं, चारों भी बना सकते हैं, मेडिटेरियन, ओरिएंटल, इंडियन एंड फ्रेंच. सी, this is the beauty of cooking. You can just play around with it. आप एक ही चीज से कितने सारे वेरिएशंस बना सकते हैं. ये हमारी क्रिएटिविटी को बहुत ज्यादा एनहांस करता है. तो कुकिंग इज रियली वेरी गुड for bringing out your creativity. Yeah, Sheetal, I can see it's ready.
Yeah, I want to add one more thing. This is my favorite product from Amul, so I'm going to add this in this canopy.
Yes.
This is Amul cheese spread.
Yeah,
cheese spread. I love this product. Yes, I love this. I can have it with everything. This is really.
Meanwhile, you just put it on this. We will take to Amit. Let's see where Amit is there. How Amit's canopies are going on. We'll come back to you, Sheetal.
So as you can see, I've taken the bread, I've taken the toasted bread, and then I've layered. मैंने उसके ऊपर एक हल्का सा लेयर मशरूम डाल दिया. तो मैंने मशरूम को बटर में सॉटे कर दिया. So basically they're all very juicy. So इसमें कोई सॉस की अभी जरूरत है नहीं.
Okay.
So there's only mushrooms, little garlic and some butter.
Wow.
So इसमें जैसे a lot of people ना उनको लगता है कि bread बहुत dry होगा. We need some moisture on base. So this mushroom, जैसे मशरूम में बहुत पानी होता है, तो butter will actually enhance the flavor. तो मैंने वो water को cook off करके I made sure कि there's a lot of butter in this.
Yeah. You can bring camera a little closer to your plate.
Yes. Can you just zoom it in? Yeah, one moment, please. Yeah.
Yes.
This is how layered some cooked mushrooms on top. तो उसके ऊपर I'm gonna put some paneer. So these paneer, one moment. So these paneer I toss them in some oil. तो उसको मैंने oil में हल्का सा shallow fry कर दिया, and then I put some Szechuan sauce. I put some Szechuan sauce, and then उसको ऐसे toss कर दिया मैंने. So they're nice and crispy and then little spicy.
Okay.
So as आपने कहा था, it's perfect for an evening snack.
Wow, this is really looking so good. So this is our oriental one, and let's go to Abhiram. Yes, Abhiram.
Hey everyone, so I've just spread this vegetable mince on the bread, and now I'm going to make a quenelle out of the cheese that I've prepared. So quenelle is the garnish for the canapé. What you need are 2 spoons. I'll just show you how. So we need 2 spoons of the same size, and you take the cheese and you put pressure on both sides, and you start making a football-sized garnish. So you keep doing this, and ultimately you will get a football-sized garnish, which looks very good on top of the canapé.
This is Abhiram is just showing us how you can plate your dish and make it more delicious, and उसको looks में भी बहुत अच्छा आप कैसे बना सकते हैं.
And then you put it to the canapé like this.
Very good. And you just place it on your canapé. Oh wow, this is canapé are looking really.
So you can choose the different kind of plates that you want to plate it on, and then I put a sprig of mint on top of it just for color and for a fresh mouthfeel. And then I'm just going to do the same thing again for all the canapés.
Meanwhile, Abhiram, आप ये भी बताइए कि आप अपना ये जो आपने डिश प्रिपेयर की है फ्रेंच कैनेप्स, किसको डेडिकेट करना चाहेंगे? आपके फेवरेट टीचर क्या है? आपका स्कूल कॉलेज में कैसे टीचर्स के साथ आपका था? टीचर्स डे कैसे सेलिब्रेट?
Well, I would like to dedicate this to all my chefs who have taught me throughout the 3 years, both in college as well as in the industry. And so those are my gurus in terms of food, and also my mother and my grandmother who are also very good cooks at home. So they take simple ingredients and make very delicious food. So I feel they're the best teachers.
This is really good. So you just garnish all of them, then we will show it. Amit, I would like you to share your Teachers Day celebration, how you want to celebrate it, how you have celebrated so far. और अभी आप किसको डेडिकेट करना चाहेंगे अपनी ये जो आपने ओरिएंटल कैनप्स इतने ब्यूटीफुल बनाए हैं?
So I would actually dedicate this to my mom and my grandmother, as well as all the chefs who have taught me everything, from basic to everything. इस level तक जो उन्होंने मुझे लाया है, so I would dedicate it to all of them, and my mom and grandmom as well. Because I mean, as Abhiram has already told that he's actually stole my words. So basically, they taught me how to make complex food with simple ingredients. कुछ भी आराम simple ingredients, जैसे पनीर को ले लो. It was my mom's idea. Like, why don't you try something oriental? It was my chefs who taught me that how to make all this thing. Everything.
And I would like to ask Vimanyu, so you have made Mediterranean canapes and they are looking so yummy. I'll just take them. You can see, wow. I can have bite of it. You people made for yourself. And yes, Vimanyu, so tell me, take it and in a hand and tell me to whom you want to give this.
Okay, so this is basically So for me, my mom will be my greatest teacher, since the cooking passion, the thing for cooking came from her, like from watching her, like how from young age, as I kept watching her, she made different foods that was like really amazing, and that got me going for this thing. So I will dedicate this dish to my mother.
Thank you so much, Vimanyu, and I am the lucky mom. My son is, on Teachers Day praising me, and he made this for me. So I hope all the moms are good teacher and first teacher to their kids. So I'm also blessed with a mom who is a very good cook and passionate about cooking. So for me also, it inculcates from my mother. तो सभी में बच्चों में अपनी मम्मी को देख के कुकिंग के लिए एक ये जो जज्बा होता है ये आता है. और आज अमूल के साथ हमने ये टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट किया और बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. इतने सारे शेफ्स जो एक से एक डिशेस बना रहे हैं. आई एम श्योर व्यूअर्स तो इतने डिलाइटेड होंगे और इतने ज्यादा उनको चीजें आज सीखने को मिलेंगी और इतने सारे अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स वो अपने टीचर्स को दे सकते हैं. और अमूल, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड अमूल इज अ बिग टीचर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, ऑल शेफ्स. आपने हमें ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, हमें सिखाया कि कैसे हम अपनी जो होम कुकिंग है उसको कैसे हम दूसरों को सिखा सकते हैं, कैसे हम दूसरों को इस चीज को बनाना, अच्छा अच्छा खाना बनाना और खिला भी सकते हैं और सिखा भी सकते हैं. सो big thanks and happy Teachers Day to all Amul team. And this is all of our I think if you can see all our screens are with our delicious canapes. So in such a small time we showed you 4 type of canapes. That's why we kept the name Global Canapes, Mediterranean. Then Abhiram is showing French, Sheetal is showing Indian canap, and Amit is showing ओरिएंटल कैनप. आपको जो पसंद आए आप वो बनाइए, सारे बनाइए. एंड आई एम रियली रियली अगेन थैंक्स फॉर अमूल. थैंक यू ऑल, शीतल, Amit, Abhiram and Vimanyu for joining me today in such a short notice. When I asked you, you people would like to join me and they said yes. So I am feeling like teacher with these 3 students, and sure Sheetal is must be feeling the same because 2-3 days we are just talking to them and we are learning so much from them also, their culinary skills. So thanks to you 3 for teaching us, and thanks Sheetal.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you Sonal ji, Abhiram, Amit and Sheetal ji for joining and being a part of it. It was really an experience for us to see literally the global canap, how different cultures, cuisines and geographies make a difference, and वो variety में ही एक अलग ही taste है. So thank you so much for showing all of this.